Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install and use Xumo Play on your Amazon Fire Stick. What is Xumo Play? Xumo Play, also known earlier as Xumo TV, is a completely free live TV and on-demand streaming platform available in the United States. With Xumo Play, you get access to tons of popular channels like Fox Sports, NBC News, Bloomberg, Fail Army,
Funny or Die.
The app also includes movies, documentaries, sports content, and more. Best part? Backhand index pointing right, no subscription, no login, no account needed. Just install it and start watching. Fire How to install Xumo Play on Firestick, USA users. If you're in the United States, installation is super simple. Let me show you how. Step 1. Go to the Find menu. On your Firestick home screen, go to the Find option at the top. Step 2. Select Search. Step 3. Type Xumo Play. You'll see the app suggestion appear. Click on Xumo Play. Step 4. Click the Xumo Play app icon. Step 5. Click Get or Download. If it's your first time installing, you'll see the Get button. Step 6. Wait for installation. Step 7. Launch the app. Once you see Xumo Play ready to launch, you're good to go. Glow showing Europe Africa how to install Xumo Play outside the USA. Sideload method. If Xumo Play doesn't show up in your Amazon App Store, don't worry. Here's how to sideload it safely. Step 1. Install the Downloader app. Go to Find Search, type Downloader, install it. Step 2. Enable unknown apps.
Go to
Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options.
Turn on
Heavy checkmark Install Unknown Apps Downloader. Step 3. Open Downloader. Select Browser and open the URL bar. Step 4. Enter this URL. firesticktricks.com/Xumo. Step 5. Download the APK. Step 6. Click Install. Step 7. After installation, click Done. Step 8. Delete the APK file. This saves storage space. That's it. Now you have Xumo Play installed anywhere in the world.